Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and in today's video I'll be doing basically a review slash show and tell, telling you guys all about this new unit that I have on, and I'll be showing you basically how I cut the lace, how I got it like this, and stuff like that. So I don't want to say it's a complete tutorial because I really did do a bad job of filming me, you know, like laying the baby hairs down and stuff. I did get some snippets, but honestly you guys, when I don't have my contacts in, I cannot see, and like I need to like redo like how I film because I need a mirror here, and if the mirror is right here and I don't have my contacts in, I can't see, so I have to stand mad close, and then the camera is just like too much, y'all. Like I hope you guys understand. But without further ado, I'm gonna tell you guys all about this unit. So basically this is a 360 unit courtesy of Luhair.com. This is their queen wig. It is in its natural hair color, and the texture is a loose deep wave, which I never heard of loose deep wave, but honestly these curls are popping. Like look, like I love this hair texture. I love this hair texture because like it's super soft, and what I like is that straight out the package, like the curls didn't feel stiff. Sometimes you'll get loose wave hair or curly hair and it kind of comes out the packaging like kind of stiff, that you know that they just processed the mess out of this. But what I like, that I didn't experience that with this hair. Like straight out the packaging, I could run my fingers through it. It was super soft, like it's so soft to the touch right now, and I feel like it gives me that natural look. If I was to probably, you know, pick it out a little bit or like run my fingers through it a little more, fluff it up, I could definitely, you know, rock this and it could look like it's my natural hair. So this curl pattern is super cute, especially for my girls who, you know, don't want to look like too fake but also want to give that extra oomph. This definitely is the unit for you, especially since it's so soft. Like as you'll see when I unbox it, like I just keep running my fingers through it because it's so soft. Like no tangles so far, which, you know, you kind of can expect tangles with curly hair, but with this hair it's like it's a dream. It's so easy to fluff it out because like I didn't even use a comb, I just been using my fingers, and it's just, you know, fluffing and so soft. I did receive this wig in the length 18 inches. I decided, you know, why not? I love long hair, but I feel like this looks so natural. I love this length actually. It's perfect on me. You know, curly hair, you kind of lose 2 inches, but it is, if I stretch it, it reaches the top of my butt, but not really. But I really just like how it looks on my shoulders. Like this is a look, I'm feeling it. So the density I have is 180% density, which is pretty full, and as I said, if I like took the bun down and, you know, fluffed it up, you'll really see it, that body. And this wig cap size is average. I'm out of breath, sorry guys. And this is a 360 lace frontal wig. That means that I could put it up all in a bun, and I'll probably be doing that in another video. I didn't do it this time because I don't have any glue. Like when I came home from school, I didn't bring any type of adhesive. The only adhesive I have is Ghost Bond, and it's cool, but it breaks my skin out. I'm pretty sure I'll let you guys know that. But yeah, so this is the wig. Like I really love this hair, I'm not even gonna lie. Like it's so soft, so full of body. And yeah, I did go ahead and put like a little bun, and I did not use any type of glue, no type of adhesive. The only thing I used was my Spritz, which is this. And honestly, Spritz is life. Like I really love using this stuff. I did mention it in one of my previous videos that that's how I lay my wigs, just like quick and on the go. And I did use it here just to like lay the baby hairs down, and I feel like it would have stuck a little better if I didn't have on makeup. When I don't have on makeup and I just put this straight on my skin and the wig, like it lays amazingly. Like it's like great. And as you can see, I did not buy a new bottle. I've had this bottle for like over the summer, and look how much like I've used. That's it, because you don't need a lot of spritz. Like couple sprays and you're good to go. This stuff will have you laid, honey. I don't recommend this if you're going to a party or you're trying to be out all night, but I do recommend this if you do daily wear and you have an elastic band in your wig and you just want to lay your baby hairs and keep everything in place. This really does help. So what I like to do, and I'll show you in the video, I like to spray it like on the lace, not directly on the hair, but like on the lace, so that it seeps onto my skin. And as you know, I pull my wigs forward. Pro tip, make sure you're not putting it on your real hair. So yeah, I like to spray the spritz on the lace so that it goes like through the lace and onto my skin, and then I start to swoop the baby hairs. I feel like that works best for me. That makes everything stick and lay down. And yeah, so with this unit, when I cut the lace, I did not cut it straight across. I did cut it in a zigzag, which I mentioned in another video. That is like key to really having your wig look undetectable and really melt in with your skin, is cutting it in zigzags, because when it's straight across, it just looks crazy. But yeah, so yeah, y'all, how y'all feeling this? Because I'm feeling it. Little bun. Yeah, so yeah, everybody, tangling is not really much of an issue. I am experiencing some shedding, which is normal for curly hair, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, I really do like this hair. It's so soft. Like, I really want you guys just to get into this curl pattern, get into these curls. So yeah, how do you guys like it? I'm loving it. I will keep you guys updated, so make sure you stay tuned and go check out Luhair. For more information, make sure you check my description box. The direct link will be down there, as well as other specs. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys some more specs of the wig. As you can see, this unit came with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then there's another in the back. I usually do take out the combs, but I decided to keep all of them in, especially since the way that I wanted to, you know, install the wig was without glue, and you do need that extra security. There's also an adjustable strap. I did use that, and I put it on, like, I made it the tightest that it could be, just so that it was super snug and so that it fit on my head and did not go anywhere, especially since I used Spritz to install it this time, so that's really key. So straight out of the packaging, this hair was super soft and it has such a pretty luster, and as you can see, like, I could easily run my fingers through it without any problems. And that's without any type of co-wash, without any type of product in this hair. So that's like what I really like. Like, I could take it straight out the package and slay it. Who doesn't want a wig? That's so easy. I'm pretty sure the knots came pre-bleached, but I did take the extra step and use my foundation and put it on the lace just so that it could blend way better and just really lay seamlessly. So I didn't pluck the hairline, but you can see that it definitely could use some plucking. What I wanted to do with this video was just show you, like, straight out the package that you really can, you know, make a wig work. So that was my goal. And what I like about this wig is that the ear tabs were pretty, like, explicit. I don't know if I'm the only one that has problems with cutting the ear tabs, but I feel like with this wig, it was a little easier because I feel like it gave me, like, a little map, you know, like sort of a map. So that's what I really like, and that's great for beginners, especially girls who don't know what they're doing or who, you know, are just getting started. This was really helpful. So as I've mentioned previously, I really did not get good footage of me laying the baby hairs down, but it was really simple. I just sprayed the spritz on the baby hairs and swooped it into place. What I like to do is try to spray it right on the lace. That way it'll create like that. It'll stick the lace to my skin and create that bond. So yeah.